top's about 6,400.
November 49er Bravo, descend and maintain 3,000.
Heading on down to 3 from 4 for 49 Bravo, thank you.
A lot of snow.
Yes, it is.
49 Bravo, towers advertise visuals. They're not going to work too well, so just continue at 275 heading and expect the ILS approach for runway 23, sir.
Expect the ILS for 23 for 49 Bravo, roger that, thank you.
November 49er Bravo, descend and maintain 2,600.
Heading down to 2,600 for 49 Bravo, thank you. Charleston approach, November 96, 49 Bravo. Do you want us to intercept the localizer?
The 49 Bravo, 8 miles from Charleston Airport. Turn left heading 265, maintain 2,600 to establish a localizer. Cleared ILS 23 approach.
265, maintain 2,600, cleared for the ILS 23 approach, 49 Bravo. Okay, we're intercepting.
Yep, localizer. Capture.
And we'll be able to stay right here until we intercept.
Bravo, contact tower 125.7. You have a good day.
125.7 for the tower. Thanks for your help. Charleston Tower, November 9649 Bravo. ILS 23 approach.
Number 9649 Bravo, Charleston Tower, wind calm, runway 23, clear to land.
23, cleared to land, 49 Bravo, thank you.
Number 49 Bravo, you should pick up the field at about a 3-mile final. We just got a little snowstorm that went through. Field condition is just started and it's a dry snow, so I would imagine our report's going to be 555.
Roger that, thanks for the info, 49 Bravo. Wide captured. Four out.
Attention aircraft, we've got dry snow, all surfaces. Wind 130 with 3. Charleston altimeter 3047.
Yeah, I see the snow coming down pretty good. We did not pick up any ice.
Nope.
A little more forward visibility right now with quite a bit of snow coming down.
Uh-huh.
Runway in sight. Charleston Tower, November 9649 Bravo, runway in sight at 1,700 feet.
49 Bravo, roger, and again, runway 23, wind calm, clear to land.
Cleared to land, thank you, 49 Bravo.
Says 49 Bravo, continue down the runway, make your third left and beyond Charlie.